Hi, I'm Lisa Govero with Remax Pinnacle, and we need to talk about the maintenance costs that catch many homeowners completely off guard. Home maintenance costs thousands annually, and that number keeps climbing year over year. The old rule was to save 1% of your home's value annually for repairs. On a $350,000 home, that's $3,500 a year. But the reality? Many homeowners need significantly more. Major repairs aren't cheap. Roofs can cost between $8,000 and $15,000. HVAC systems between $5,000 and $12,000. Water heaters $1,200 to $2,500. Foundation repairs $4,000 to $15,000. And here's the part that concerns me. Many homeowners don't have dedicated savings for these inevitable expenses, forcing them to use credit cards or take out loans when systems fail. Imagine your furnace dies during winter or your AC fails during a heat wave. Without reserves, those emergency expenses can derail your entire budget. Here's my advice: treat your home inspection like a budget roadmap, not just a negotiation tool. That 15-year-old water heater, plan for replacement within the next few years. Create a dedicated repair fund separate from emergency savings. Automatic monthly transfers turn disasters into manageable expenses. The homeowners who thrive aren't those who bought the most house they could afford. They're the ones who bought with margin and reserves. Ready to buy smart instead of buying maximum? Let's talk about building a sustainable budget.